quantum computing, based on the principles of quantum mechanics, introduces qubits, units capable of existing in multiple states simultaneously through superposition and entanglement. This revolutionary technology has the potential to solve complex problems beyond the scope of classical computers. With its ability to perform parallel computations at an unparalleled speed, quantum computing shows promise in areas like cryptography, drug discovery, optimization, and artificial intelligence development. However, challenges in maintaining qubit stability and minimizing errors persist, hindering its full-scale implementation. Despite being in its early stages, the ongoing research and investments in quantum computing suggest a future where computational power reaches unprecedented heights, fundamentally transforming our approach to problem solving and technological advancement.